These are the top 5 English idioms every fluent speaker uses daily, but 90% of learners use them completely wrong. Let me show you. Break the ice. It means saying or doing something that makes people feel comfortable in an awkward or unfamiliar situation. Use it when you're meeting new people for the first time, when there's an awkward silence in a group, or when you need to start a difficult conversation. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. The tension disappeared. The conversation started. That's it. Hit the nail on the head. It means identifying or describing something with perfect accuracy. Use it when someone agrees with a sharp insight, when you're confirming someone diagnosed a problem correctly, or when giving feedback on an analysis that was exactly right. You really hit the nail on the head with that analysis. Nothing more to add. That was the precise answer. Under the weather. It means feeling slightly ill or unwell, a soft, polite way to say you're not feeling 100% without going into details. Use it when you're calling in sick to work, when you're explaining why you're low energy, or when politely declining plans because you feel ill. She's a bit under the weather, won't make it to the meeting. Professional, non-dramatic, says exactly what it needs to. Bite the bullet. It means enduring something painful or uncomfortable because it has to be done, doing it with courage. Use it when you're having a difficult conversation you've been avoiding, when making an uncomfortable but necessary decision, or when doing something painful because there's no other choice. I bit the bullet and finally had that difficult conversation. It had to happen, so you did it. That's the idiom. Burn the midnight oil. It means working or studying very late into the night, staying up far past normal hours to get something done. Use it when you're studying late before an exam, working past midnight to meet a deadline, or finishing a project that couldn't wait. She's been burning the midnight oil all week for the deadline. From the era of oil lamps, working so late you burn through the oil. Say each one out loud. Make it yours. 1. He broke the ice by asking everyone's favorite travel story. 2. You really hit the nail on the head with that analysis. 3. She's a bit under the weather and won't make it to the meeting. 4. I bit the bullet and finally fixed the bug I'd been avoiding all week. 5. He burned the midnight oil to prepare for his presentation. These are yours now. Idioms aren't obstacles, they're shortcuts. Native speakers use them to say more with fewer words. Now you can too.